Isn't it time you got off the sidelines and tackled trading? Join our online community of active traders where we make it happen every day. Stocks, options, futures, and Forex at www.tackletrading.com. Get in the game.
Matt Justice here for Tackle Trading to do a quick little review on Apple. I've been getting a lot of questions recently concerning Apple. Obviously, it's the biggest stock in the entire marketplace. It's got a market cap of over $640 billion. Everybody uses their products. Everybody loves their company. Not to mention that they haven't really created a new product outside the iWatch. We'll see how that works out. But that news came out just the other day, and I think that led to some of the questions that I've been getting regarding Apple. Is this a company? Why is it going down when it just came out with a new product line? And for those of you who are fairly new to trading and whatnot, you got to realize that the price action in the market really doesn't have much to do with what actually happens today. There's a lot that goes into the market. There's a lot that goes into the analysis. There's a lot that goes into institutional traders. And so when we're looking at Apple here, regardless of the news of Apple, you got to look at this current run. Look at these two current runs. This run right here goes from $95 up to $120. That's about a $25 run before it comes right back down. And then this run right here goes from 105 up to, basically 132, 133. That's getting into a little bit over the range from 105 to really kind of the 33 range. That's about $28. And so as you can see, that's a concept we call overextended. It's based on that 1, 2, 3 pattern, the 2 being the overextended, and that's when it starts to retrace back down. The question becomes, where are we a buyer in Apple? We're not concerned about Apple because it goes to 133 down to 123. That's not a concern. Okay, not when it just expanded by $30 just in the last run that it currently had. So looking at Apple here, we're looking at it coming right back down in price. Now, where I am personally looking to be a buyer in Apple is not as it's coming down, but as it starts to go back up. And I'll tell you right now, great companies in great trends, they don't give you great signals all the time. But if Apple does come back down into the 120 mark, right into this range right here, as you can see, there's an old resistance zone there. There's a high base right there. That 120 zone is going to be a support level for it. And if it does get back down into that level, then I'm potentially going to start getting into the trade. Now, one thing that you could do in terms of this preparation, so to speak, is you could start placing orders above the highs of the day, even right now. So let's say we were trading, in the stock market, and we were going to buy ultimately 600 shares of Apple. That's what our ultimate position size would be. Well, we could put an order to get filled right now as it goes back up above, say, 125. If it goes back up above 125, let's buy 200 shares, okay? And if that doesn't happen today, then so what? We'll get out of the trade. If it goes back down tomorrow, down into 121, 122, we'll put that same order in to buy, another 200 shares. But ultimately, if it does get into 120, we want to get into the position, because if it goes underneath 120, the analysis changes. Because remember what I'm saying? I'm saying that zone is going to act as support. I'm saying this zone right here, the high base, is going to act as support. So if it comes underneath 120, I don't want to continue to scale into the position. I want to actually start looking to remove my position. So I'm looking at Apple right now, and I like it. It's something that I want to own, and it's something that I think should be a part of everybody's portfolio at the proper timing. And again, let me reiterate, I am not concerned about Apple retracing $10 on a $130 stock. This looks like a buying opportunity for me, and I like the buying opportunity at 120. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. This is Matt Justice for Tackle Trading. Check us out there at www.tackletrading.com and go out there, get in the game, and change your financial future.